Okay.
We have joined our
Recording has started. Emmett, you want to go ahead and explain what we're up to for the audience?
tactical nuke incoming. That's a good
So,
enough explanation. Sterling, you are next to me, so your goal is to light me on fire. Jerk,
that.
you're behind me, sending tackling shots up my ass. That sounds very sexual and very gay.
Just a bit.
Okay, so I'm gonna ram the second one in line.
In load charge, I have a theory that if you have a higher pen, you'll be able to light them on fire easier.
Start sending shots.
Hold on, Deutsch, which way are we going?
Set heading for 45.
Don't use your gun deck, Sterling, but try a one of your two top decks. Do a broadside from them. Don't know if it'll help, but we could try. Those are smaller cannons, so the damage won't be severe. Hey, look at that. Got it. Okay. So you guys get the fuck away now. I'm going to play with this fire. Turn in survival on. I'm going to have to bounce it back and forth.
Okay, let's cut in and try to form a bit more of a line.
Yeah, so Sterling, turn right.
Use your free cam, Sterling, and try to get close.
How do you make it go faster, the free cam?
Scroll your scroll wheel forward.
Oh, that's much better. Thank you.
Oh, look at this fire.
Sterling, you're too close.
I'm kind of in free camera at the moment.
No, Sterling won't get hit by this. It's fire shock.
Fire shock already.
I'm running straight downwind.
Boom!
The one next to me has 200 crew left. Damaged the farther one. Cut off some of the masts of another one. Okay, so I basically crippled one.
Well, basically crippled two. The one next to it only has 346 crew left.
Wait, it does. I didn't check the crew of the other one.
And the one second from
First
back
one
has
only has
850.
600 crew, yeah.
Oh!
Okay, let's come to a heading as 0 degrees.
Okay, that was effective. You guys are going to have a heyday killing the last of them, and I'm going to get a fuck ton of XP for that.
That's an interesting tactic.
I can't wait to see that on good graphics, because my potato graphics make it look kind of sad. There's not even really a collision, I just suddenly erupt in flame.
Do you want me to record the whole fight, or you want me to just go ahead and stop recording and upload the video now?
And do be careful, because I think he can explode a second time.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure he can.
Larger ships have more than one magazine. If it spreads to the front, yes. I could detonate again.
And it is currently spreading to the front.
Yeah, but I don't have enough health. I'm going to sink real soon. Wow. 200 crew left. Ooh, that's got to hurt. 300 crew. Like, they don't even have enough crew to operate. Two of them do not have enough crew to operate anymore effectively, and one of them is down 200 crew already.
So
Sterling, would you call that effective?
I would say that's